Welcome to our video on 100 Beautiful Fall-Inspired Decor Ideas, where we explore how to transform your home into a warm and inviting space for the fall season. As the temperatures drop and the leaves change colors, there's no better time to bring the beauty of autumn indoors. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through various cozy homes, each decorated with charming fall touches, from subtle accents to fully autumn-themed transformations. These designs are perfect for middle-class American homes, with some farm-style homes sprinkled in for that classic rustic appeal. Let's start outside, with one of the most welcoming parts of any home, the front porch. Fall is the perfect season to create a warm and inviting entrance. Imagine stepping up to a porch adorned with pumpkins of all shapes and sizes, lanterns filled with flickering candles, and wreaths made of autumn leaves. It's a simple yet effective way to set the tone for the season, making your home feel inviting even before anyone steps inside. For homes with a more rustic, farm-inspired look, adding wooden crates, hay bales, or vintage signs can create a charming countryside vibe. Now let's step inside and focus on the living room, a space where many of us gather with friends and family. Fall-inspired living room decor is all about layering textures and creating warmth. Think cozy blankets draped over couches, soft pillows in autumnal hues, and a few well-placed pumpkins on the coffee table or mantel. This is the season of comfort, so don't be afraid to mix and match soft fabrics, from wool throws to velvet pillows. A few rustic touches, such as wooden trays or woven baskets, can add that farmhouse charm, making the space feel both cozy and stylish. Next, let's talk about the dining room, where fall is the perfect time to create a welcoming space for family dinners or holiday feasts. A well-set table can make all the difference in creating that autumn atmosphere. Start with a table runner or placemats in warm tones like deep reds, oranges, or browns, and complement them with natural elements such as leaves, pine cones, or small pumpkins scattered along the table. Candles are a must for setting that cozy, intimate mood, especially as the days grow shorter. For a farmhouse-inspired touch, use rustic wooden chairs and simple, earthy dishware. This is where functionality meets style, creating a space that's perfect for gatherings both big and small. The bedroom is another great space to introduce a bit of fall magic. You don't need to go overboard. Small touches can make a big impact. Start with the bedding. A comforter in warm, rich tones like burgundy, mustard, or forest green can instantly make the space feel cozy. Add a few decorative pillows and throws in autumn patterns such as plaid or herringbone to complete the look. Soft lighting is key in the bedroom, so consider adding string lights or a few candles to create a calming, cozy atmosphere, perfect for those crisp fall nights. A simple wreath made of autumn leaves or dried flowers above the bed can be the perfect finishing touch. In the kitchen, fall decor can be both functional and beautiful. This is the heart of the home, where warmth and comfort naturally come together. Think of displaying seasonal fruits and vegetables, like apples, squash, or pumpkins, in rustic wooden bowls or baskets. Copper accents, whether in the form of pots, pans, or utensils, add warmth and a touch of rustic charm to any kitchen. Mason jars filled with dried wheat or wildflowers can be simple yet stunning centerpieces on kitchen counters or dining tables. For farm-style kitchens, vintage signs, wooden cutting boards, and open shelving add a laid-back, cozy vibe that's perfect for the season. Even the bathroom can get a touch of fall. You don't need to go overboard. Simple details can create a seasonal feel without cluttering the space. Swap out your usual hand towels for ones in deep autumn hues, and consider adding a few fall-scented candles, such as pumpkin spice or cinnamon, for an added sense of warmth. Small decorative pumpkins or a rustic wooden soap dish can add just the right amount of charm to make the bathroom feel like a cozy retreat. Throughout the home, fall decor is about embracing the changing season and making your space feel warm, inviting, and comforting. Whether you live in a traditional, middle-class suburban home or a charming farmhouse, these ideas are versatile enough to suit any style or space. By incorporating natural elements like wood, leaves, pumpkins, and warm tones, you can create a seamless transition from summer to fall while celebrating the beauty of the season indoors. Thank you for joining us on this tour of 100 Beautiful Fall-Inspired Decor Ideas. We hope you found inspiration to bring the beauty of fall into your own home. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or love to go all out with seasonal decorations, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite beautiful fall decor design inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.